Maybe you're making homemade marinara and your recipe calls for fresh tomatoes that are peeled. And everybody who's ever done that knows what a frustrating process that is, but let me show you how simple it can be. To start, I've got a large pot of boiling water here. I'm going to take my tomato, and here on the bloom end, I'm going to make a small X with a sharp knife. I'm going to plop these right into my boiling water for 45 seconds to a minute. And as we see that X start to separate, we know that it's ready to pull out. All right, once you see that X start to separate that we cut in there, you're going to take these out and plunge them into an ice bath and let them stay in the ice bath for about the same amount of time that they were in the boiling water. Once these are thoroughly cool, you can see just how easy the peel peels right off.